how do we find the integral value of x such that the left hand side equals 5 over 2? Let's dive into the solution. So we have 3x plus 1 over x plus 1 plus, we can write this guy as 1 over 3x plus 1 over x plus 1. So let's put this in bracket, which is equals to 5 over 2. That is, we just take the inverse of this, so we obtain this. So now, let's p to be equals 3x plus 1 over x plus 1. So we are going to replace 3x plus 1 with p. So anyway we see, so we're going to have, this implies p plus 1 over p equals 5 over 2. So now let's multiply both sides of this equation by p. So we're going to have p times p plus 1 over p equals p times 5 over 2. So p times 3, we have p squared plus p times 1 over p, that is 1. So this equals 5 over 2p. Let's also multiply both sides of this equation by 2 so that we can eliminate this. So we're going to have 2 into p squared plus 1 equals 2 times 5 over 2p. So in this case we have 2p squared plus 2 equals 5p, because this guy cancels this guy. So now we can write this equation as 2p squared minus 5p plus 2 equals 0. So let us factorize this quadratic equation. So we're going to have 2p squared minus 4p minus p plus 2 equals 0. 2p is common, so we pull it out. We have 2p into p minus 2 minus into p minus 2 equals 0. So p minus 2 is common, so we have p minus 2 times 2p minus 1 equals 0. So this implies that p minus 2 equals 0, or 2p minus 1 equals 0. So we have p to be equals 2 or 2p equals 1. So now p equals 2 or p equals to half. So we are going to consider each case. So when p equals 2, we are going to substitute the value of p here. So we're going to have 2 equals 3x plus 1 over x plus 1. That is the right hand side of this guy. So when we cross multiply, we're going to have 2 into x plus 1, which is equals to 3x plus 1. So when we open this bracket, we have 2x plus 2 equals 3x plus 1. Right in this equation, we're going to have 3x minus 2x, which is equals to 2 minus 1. So our value of x equals to 1. So now for the case for p equals to half, so we are going to have half equals this guy 3x plus 1 over x plus 1. When we cross multiply, we're going to have x plus 1 equals 2 into 3x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 equals 2 times 3x, that is 6x plus 2. So now writing this, we have 6x minus x equals 1 minus 2. So we have 5x to be equals to negative 1. So therefore x equals to negative 1 over 5. So therefore the values of x are x equals to 1 and x equals to negative 1 over 5. So these are the integral values of x. So that's it. Thanks for watching.